I think it's part of a lifestyle to take care of your inside and outside body. Of course, sport, food are the real benefits to being healthy. I think it's really important to try to maintain the outside body as well, and then to try to get a boost from help and clinic.
We do a lot of activity. For the skin, for me, inside is really important. I think when you do balance for your body, the body of the human is very amazing, I think. By my age, I do all sport since I'm young. But the thing is, the skin, I lift weight, I can keep muscle. We do exercise a lot. But for the skin, it's follow your age, hanging. I think the skin needs help. We follow matcha also, so we need someone that we can trust.
We live in Phuket for a few years now, and we come for business here, and every time we come here we try to come to visit Rattinan Clinic, for sure.
I believe if body good, the mind is, happy, and then your work, your day, your business, your kid, you happy. Maybe it's hard for the man to come to the clinic, so I came here, and doctor told me is 4D is good for us to make a ผิวเด้งผิวฟู
I can see a difference since the few months I started this treatment, which also I feel good because I feel like it's also natural, and then I'm not damaging the face with needles, as I don't really like needles on the face and chemicals. So yeah, quite happy with the result of 4D.
For me, I have many, the line. So I feel like a titan in here. My face is lift, but look natural. Mm-hmm.
What is the most impressive is, I will say, you can see the result quite quick if you follow up monthly treatment and process done by the doctor. I think I can say that I look a bit younger than I was before. So yeah, quite happy, very happy about the service here. Always happy to come here, welcome, and very nice environment, so yeah, it's a pleasure.
For me, I know the clinic Rattinan is so long. Since young, before I have matcha or I build out I meet more Taem since we young together. And then I came to see her. I didn't do much when I was young. But it's funny, we get the connection, we come back by, meet the PR or, from matcha, and then we meet again. But it's good, like here, I feel like the doctor don't push much to do that, do only what you need. And now the new look of Rattinan is very nice, be very happy.